Hello and welcome back to the channel. Ulefone sent over their latest rugged tablet called RugKing Pad 2 Pro, and today we're gonna unbox it, check out the accessories, and see what makes it stand out from other rugged tablets. First of all, let's check out the box. Right on the front of the box, we can see the Ulefone branding along with RugKing Pad 2 Pro. In the bottom right corner, we can see that it's IP68 and IP69K proof. But not only that, it also has the MIL standard 810H certification, meaning it resists to military-grade testing for drops, vibration, humidity, and temperature extremes. On the top, we have a QR code that leads to the Ulefone website. Opposite to that is their serial number, along with the IMEI of the device. Finally, on the back, there are some quick specs, like the Super Torch, over 10,000 mAh battery, and a 10.1-inch display. Now that we got the outside of the box covered, let's rip the plastic wrap and check out what we have inside. Front and center, I can see the tablet. Let's go ahead and pull this one out, and we'll set it aside for now. We also have a neck strap included, and I highly appreciate that. Given the audience of this product and the conditions it's tested for, a neck strap makes sense. Another thing that is not guaranteed anymore in this day and age, a charging brick. And looking at it, I can say the max charge it can provide is right at 18 watts. And also included, of course, a USB-C to C cable. Finally, we have a user manual, a warranty card, charging instructions, some screws, and this seems to be everything that's in the box. Let me clean this up a bit and we'll take a closer look at the tablet itself. First impressions is this tablet is super rugged. I like to see these raised corners. This way, if it ever drops sideways or flat down, it will not hit the charging interface, the speakers, any of the buttons. Also, along the top, we have two attachment points for the neck strap. There's also a button here. On the right side, I can see volume rockers, a power button. On the bottom, there is the charging interface and also the accessory interface. And on the left side, we have speaker grill, headphone port, charging port, and the micro SD and a SIM card slot. Let's remove the protective cover from the screen. And once this is off, we can see that we have a screen protector already applied from the factory. You can barely see it here at the top. Let's go ahead and power it on. In portrait orientation. And this is the out-of-the-box Android experience. So let's go ahead and set it up. We don't have a SIM card for the moment. We're gonna set this up offline. Yes, we're in Vienna. Setting up a pin. Okay, let's set up the fingerprint. And the fingerprint button is on the side where the power button is. And what we can see is the sensor is very fast and accurate. I need to keep moving the position of my finger for it to register my whole fingerprint. There we go. I'm curious if I can adjust the brightness right now. Nope. Okay, let's keep moving. Turn all this off for the moment. Wow, that was super fast. And we're on the home screen. The screen is super nice and responsive. As per the specs, it's 90 Hz. And that makes all the motions very fluid and nice. Looking through all the apps that are installed, I can't really see any bloatware, which is great. There aren't really any unnecessary apps installed by default. We have the regular Google suite of apps that comes on any Android device. We have extra installed Netflix, Super Flashlight, a safety app, tablet manager, and YouTube Kids and YouTube Music. Let's check out the Super Flashlight. It's gonna use the flashlight on the back of the device. With this big button you can turn it on. This button turns on strobing effect or continuous light with this one. And by tapping on the big flashlight, you can adjust brightness. We'll go ahead and test this in the dark a bit later. Let's check out Tablet Manager. And this gives us a bit of information about the tablet itself. There's an option to speed it up. Check out notifications. Wi-Fi usage or data if you have a mobile SIM connected. And you can also toggle on power saving. Let's check out the toolbox. You have options to clean your duplicate pictures, videos, music, apps, general files, or uninstall files. There's also a cleaning assistant. It has dead pixel detection, vibration dedusting, which I assume is going to vibrate the device to remove dust from the ports like the speaker grills and the microphone ports, and a big button to optimize for acceleration. For the low light test, I will turn off all but one studio light and cycle through all the torch levels, as well as the blinking mode. This is on max level, this is minimum, and this is the intermediate one. Let's turn it back on max and do strobe, regular light, strobe, regular light. As you can see, compared to other flashlights, it's more focused, more targeted. So you can pinpoint what you're trying to find. Lights back on, let's check out the camera. I'm gonna start the screen recording so you can also see it. So this camera has a sensor of 48 megapixels, but to shoot pictures in that mode, you'll have to select it here on screen. And let's take a couple of pictures. Let's do some close-ups. Let's also try some video. We can see in the background some really nice bokeh going on. Autofocus is fast. There's also some stabilization going on, which is good when you're on the move. You want your video to be a little bit stabilized. Again, autofocus is fast, I like it, and it can focus pretty close. So let's talk about rugged tablets. There are two categories of people that I see using these. Toddlers or kids for entertainment, and professionals like car mechanics, job site inspectors, and anything in between. In both cases, having a tough tablet for the inevitable occasion where it will fall is priceless. As I mentioned before, if this is used by a mechanic or someone on a job site, the shoulder or neck strap also comes in super handy, freeing up your hands to continue work. Another super useful feature I saw on Ulefone's website, this tablet has water lock, so it prevents accidental touches when the device's screen is wet. Speaking of the screen, it's covered in Corning Gorilla Glass 3 for that extra strength and scratch resistance. Also on the website, we can see its max brightness is 600 nits, and again, it's 90 Hz for that smooth animation and transitions. When you are away from the wall, it's important that your devices are lasting, so you can rely on them. Here is where the 10,200 mAh battery comes in, making sure you won't run out of juice right when you need it. Another nifty feature is the reverse charging. Let's say your smartphone ran out of battery, but your tablet is full. You can connect them and the tablet will charge your phone or any USB-C accessory. The accessories available are what really set this tablet apart. If you deploy multiple of these, the charging dock is going to be such a good quality of life improvement for your company and employees, not needing to find cables, etc. Just take the tablet, set it down in any available dock, and you're charging. Another handy accessory is the hand strap with integrated kickstand. And for a U-Smart expansion connector on the bottom, Ulefone sells more accessories like borescope cameras, very useful for reaching in small spaces like an engine, behind walls, and so on. We can also purchase separately a tablet holder for cars. And if you're doing a lot of driving, having a tablet for navigation and music control is really nice. Let's install this in my car so you can see how robust it is. It holds not only tablets, but phones as well, and because of the suction cup attachment method, you can use it with any car, truck, or anything that has a glass surface. There is an included shock mount on the back, so small vibrations and bumps will be dampened before they reach your tablet, making sure it doesn't bobble around. Now that we reached the end of the video, let's do a recap. The Ulefone RugKing Pad 2 Pro is targeted at working professionals that require tough equipment day-to-day, reliable and robust. With its large capacity battery, Gorilla Glass 3 cover screen, and powerful flashlight, any mechanic, builder, architect or warehouse worker can benefit from one of these. If you think this tablet is for you, there's going to be a link down in the video description if you want to pick one up. And if you enjoyed the video, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos just like this one. See you in the next one.